Hi everyone, good evening. How are you, dears? Welcome to our Rana Sir educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is pair of linear equations in two variables. So you concentrate on this video from starting to end so that you can increase, yet that is, you can improve your knowledge on this topic. Simultaneously, you also like this live video, subscribe this live channel, and also you share this live videos with your friends, colleagues and students so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. Topic name is pair of linear equations in two variables. Yesterday I have already explained its theory. So I have taken two linear equations and I have got the slope of first linear equation and also the slope of second linear equation. On the basis of slope, I have defined in three cases. Now today I will also explain in the form of coefficient of both variable. One variable is x and other variable will be y. So in the case of coefficient of x and coefficient of y, I will write the three conditions and then I will take some some numericals from the book and then I will solve systematically so you can also develop a better knowledge. Okay student, so you concentrate on this live video. Now I am going to tell you some suggestion points, that is instruction point, and you have to follow it positively. First of all, you have to take one notebook and one pen and then you have to sit at your location properly. Okay student, and you have to watch your video, you have to watch this live video and also you have to listen each and every statements properly, and then you have to write all data which are understanding by me are data which are written on the blackboard. Okay student, now I am going to start. First, its theory in the form of coefficient of x and the coefficient of y, and then I will take numericals from the textbook and I will also solve with the help of there are two methods. One is the substitution method and other is the elimination method. So by these two methods we can also get if both line will intersect at a certain point. So any one of these two methods we will apply, and after applying I will get the value of point of intersection of both lines, that is pair of straight line. Okay student, so you concentrate on this video. Okay student, up to end. Now I am going to write here. Suppose here I am going to say that one straight line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 which is equal to 0. I am going to say this is the line number 1. This is the equation number 1, and also second equation I am writing a2x plus b2y plus c2 which is equal to 0. So I am going to put its name equation number 3. Okay student, so if this is also a straight line and this is also a straight line. Both line can be intersect at a certain point. Here both lines can be parallel to each other, or one line is a level on the second line. So in first case there is a unique solution, in second case there is no any solution, and in third case there is infinite number of solutions, that is many solutions. Okay students, so I will write each and every condition. So condition number 1, here I am going to write condition number 1. Each and every student has to write it. A1 divided by A2 not equal to B1 divided by B2. It means that in this case I will say there is a unique solution. A unique solution. It has a unique solution. It has a unique solution. It has a unique solution. Therefore, this condition student has to remember. Now I am going to write here condition. Condition number 2. It means that in this case both lines are not parallel to each other. It means that one line whose name is L1 and second line whose name is L2, both are intersecting at a point, and this point I will say point of intersection x comma y. Here I will write x comma y. Now I am going to write it in dark form. Okay, this is a straight line whose name is a1x plus b1y plus c1, which is equal to 0. It is representing line L1. This is representing line L1 and this is representing line L2. Line L1 is straight line. Line L1 is straight line L1 is straight line L2. Both lines are intersecting at a point I, whose coordinates is x comma y, and then I will say one line has slope m1 and other line has slope m2. Means this line has slope m2 and this line has slope m1. It means that m1 not equal to m2. It means that both lines will intersect at a certain point. So I will get the coordinate point x comma y. This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. Okay student, so in this case yesterday I have already explained in the form of slope. I have got the slope of first line L1 and slope of second line L2, and slope of first line not equal to slope of second line. It means that both lines will intersect at a point, and this point is called point of intersection, and its coordinate will be x comma y. Okay student, so we can obtain the value of x and y by two methods. One method is elimination method and second method is substitution method. Any method I can use and I can find its value. Okay student, if in the exam saying you use elimination method, so I will use elimination method. If there is condition is given, you have to use substitution method, and then you have to find the coordinate of x and y. So I will use the concept of substitution method for calculating the value of x and y. Okay student, so this is important because each and every student will know to solve this intersection point, the value of x and y. Okay student, so this is the condition. If two lines are given, first of all you have to check a1 by a2 which is not equal to b1 by b2. It means that both lines will intersect at a certain point. In this case I will get the value of x and y, and there are two methods, any one I can use to get the value of x and y. Okay student, so one method is substitution method and other method, second method is elimination method. Okay student, so in this case I have a unique solution. Here I am going to write in dark part. Okay student, I have a unique solution. If this condition is available, so I have a unique solution. Now condition number 2, if a1 divided by a2 which is equal to B1 divided by B2 not equal to C1 divided by C2. It means that we can say that in this case both lines are parallel to each other. When both lines will parallel to each other, there will be no intersection point. If intersection point is not existing, so we cannot get the value of x and y. So in this case there is no solution. So here I will say there is no solution. There is no solution. It means I can write here one line is going like this, whose name is L1, and other line is also parallel to this L2. It means that this line has slope M1 and this line has slope M2. It means that I will say this line has slope M1 and this line has slope M2. Here I am going to write M2. This line has slope M2. So I will write condition. In this case, I will say M1 is equal to M2. It means that M1 is equal to M2. Yesterday I have already explained or described. If both lines will have same slope, so both lines will parallel to each other and these two lines will meet at infinity. It means that we can only imagine these two lines will meet at infinity. So there is no any intersection point. So here only one question is asked. That question is find the distance between these two parallel lines. So I will use a particular formula. That particular formula I will say that is P is equal to C1 minus C2, and I will take its magnitude. And here A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2. This condition is available. It means that here I will put A square plus B square. Okay, student. So I will calculate its value. Its value will be the distance between these two parallel lines. So there is no solution for this. I have to know this condition. A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, which is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Okay, student. In this case, I will say there is no solution. Okay, student. In this case, I cannot get the value of x and y because I can only imagine these two lines will meet at infinity, because this line will go at minus infinity and this line will go at plus infinity. This line will also go at plus infinity. This line will also go at minus infinity. But really both lines will not intersect at a certain point. Therefore, the point of intersection in this case will be 0. Okay, student. Now, third condition I have to also explain. If first lines is same as second line, means first line is overlap to second line. It means that there will be infinite numbers of solution, and in the case of infinite number of solution, I will write the third condition. And third condition, student has to remember very well. Okay, student. So now I am going to write the step number 3. That is step number 3 means condition number 3. So I have to erase some data. Okay. So this data I am going to erase. I will write its meaning. So condition number 3. Here I am going to write condition. Condition number 3. In this case, I will say if. Here I will say if A1 divided by A2, which is equal to B1 divided by B2, which is also equal to C1 divided by C2. It means that both lines are same. Both lines are same. In other words, we can say I am going to erase this one. Both lines are same. It means that one line is, I am drawing like this. This is line is L1, and second line is L2. Second line is L2. If coefficient of x and in first equation and coefficient of second is coefficient of A2 in second equation and also coefficient of B in first equation and coefficient of y in second equation, also constant term in first equation and constant term in second equation. These ratios are common. It means that one line is available on the other line. In other words, I can say that this is a line L1. I will say L1, and this L2 line I will take and I will keep on L2. So both line will mix. So another line is also available in L1. So L1 and L2 are on the same line. So in this case, I will say there are infinite number of solutions. So here I will say there are infinite number of solutions. Here I, in this condition, if A1 would be A2, if A1 divided by A2 which is equal to B1 divided by B2 which is equal to C1 divided by C2, if these conditions are available, so I will say there is infinite number of solutions. There is infinite number of solutions. There is infinite number of solutions. In other words, we can say that here there is many solutions. Infinite number of solutions, I can say that many solutions. Infinite number of solutions, in the place of infinite number of solutions, I can write many solutions. Both have same meaning. Many solutions. Okay, student. So these three conditions each and every student has to remember, because in pair of straight line only these three conditions are available. You have to get the value of x and y in first condition. If the slope of first line, if the slope of first line and the slope of second lines are not equal to each other, it means that both lines will intersect at a certain point. In other words, we can say that in first equation the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of a2, coefficient of x in second equation means a1 divided by a2 which is not equal to b1 divided by b2. If this condition is existing, it means that in that case I would say both equations has a unique solution. It means both equations are intersecting at a certain point, and that point I will say the point of intersection, and that coordinate I will write I x comma y. I is the value which is available on the x axis and y is the value which is available on the y axis. Okay, student. So these are the conditions and these are the concepts which are available in the chapter name, whose name is pair of linear equations in two variables. Here one variable is x and other variable is y. Okay, student. So these are the concepts, and with these concepts we will solve the all questions which are related to pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, student. So I hope that you have already noted these conditions on your notebook. Okay, student, for further revision. In the pair of linear equation in two variables, only three conditions are available. This is the first condition, this is the second condition, and this is the third condition. If all these three conditions you will remember, so easily you can solve any question which are related to pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, student. So further I am going to erase this one, and after erasing this one I will explain. Yeah, I will solve the question from the textbook. Okay, student. Student, if you are getting good knowledge from here, so you like this live video, and also you subscribe this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, and also share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also develop their knowledge on this topic. That is, topic name is pair of linear equation in two variables. So one condition is written here, a1 divided by a2 which is not equal to b1 divided by b2. In this case I will say there is a unique solution, it has a unique solution. Okay, student. Now condition number 2 is like this, a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 which is not equal to c1 divided by c2. In this case I will say there is no unique solution. Yeah, there is no solution, means both line will intersect at infinity. That is not a real point, that is imaginary point. But here in this case I will get the distance between these two parallel lines. Already I have written a formula. P is equal to C1 minus C2. I will take magnitude of C1 minus C2 divided by square root of A square plus B square. So this formula will give the distance between these two parallel lines. Okay, student, in this case this line and this line has same slope. M1 is equal to M2. Slope means that is pravardta in the Hindi, but in the case of English I will say slope. That is M is equal to tan theta. I will take the angle from the positive x-axis. Okay, student. Now, third condition is such that if A1 divided by A2 which is equal to B1 divided by B2 which is equal to C1 divided by C2, it means that both lines are same. Means one line is available on the second line. So both lines are like this, and one line I will put on the second line. So both lines will look like this. It means that there is infinite numbers of solution. There is, in other words, we can say that there are many solutions. Okay, student. So these are three concepts in pair of linear equation in two variables. But additional two concepts I will use in first case. If slopes are not equal to each other, it means that both lines will intersect at a certain point. I will get the value of x and y. So there are two methods for calculating the value of x and y. First is the substitution method and second is the elimination method. Okay, any one method I can use to get the value of x and y. But in the exam saying you solve the value of x and you solve these two equations and find the value of x and y with the help of elimination or substitution method. So there is demand, so I will put that demand according to that information, instruction. I will find the required value of x and y with using the appropriate formula. Okay, student. So further I am going to erase this one and I will take the numerical from the textbook and I will solve. Okay, student. So I hope that you have already remembered, you have already understood about the concept of pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, student. So I am going to further erase this. Further I will take one question from the textbook now and then I will solve it also. Now I am going to solve. This is the question number 1, which is related to pair of linear equation in two variables. We will solve two x plus 3y 2x plus 3y which is equal to 17 and 2x minus 4y 2x minus 4y which is equal to minus 24 minus 24. Then find the value of m. Then find the value of m. Then find the value of m where y is equal to mx plus y is equal to mx plus m. Okay, student. This is a question which is based on pair of linear equation in two variables. because this is a linear equation and this is also a linear equation. If two equations are available, so I will combine these two equations, so I will say that is the pair of linear equation in two values. Okay student, so we have to solve this equation and this equation. First of all, I will take the ratio of a1 divided by a2, which is equal to, I will also get the value of b1 divided by b2, and also I will get the value of c1 divided by c2. So after getting this value, and I will check which condition this equation is available, in which condition this two equation is following. So after finding the condition, I will say the number of a unique solution, no solution, or infinite number solution, and according to information I will get its value. So now I am going to solve it. First of all, I will write here given that so here I will say 2x plus 3y, yes 17 is given. I will simplify 2x plus 3y, here it will come, it has plus sign, here it will come, so it will be minus 17 equal to 0. I will say this is the equation number 1. Similarly, other equation I will write 2x minus 4y, which is equal to minus 22. I will also arrange in the form of ax plus by plus c, which is equal to 0. So I will write in that form. So I will take this minus 24 in the left hand side, so sign will change. So I can write 2x minus 4y plus 24, which is equal to 0. Now I will divide on both sides, in left hand side and also right side with 2. So after dividing, I will divide with 2 in left hand side and also in right hand side. So I will divide, so it will become x minus 2y plus 12, which is equal to 0. So I will say this is the equation number 2. Simplify, you understand very clearly. If I will divide with any number in zeros, so that will become 0. Okay student, now further I will check the ratio, the coefficient of ratio. So now I am going to erase the unwanted data and required data I will write. So this data I am writing above: 2x plus 3y minus 17, which is equal to 0. I will put here 1. This is the 1. Now this equation I will put here: x minus 2y plus 12, which is equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. Okay student, I will take its coefficient. So I will take value of a1. a1 is equal to 2 in first equation, b1 is equal to 3, and c1 is equal to minus 17. Now in third equation, here I can write 1 into x. So a2 which is equal to 1, b2 which is equal to minus 2, and c2 which is equal to 12. Okay student, so here I will take the value of a1 divided by a2 not equal to b1 divided by b2. So I will put here value. Here I will put value. Here I am putting its value a1, that is 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1, b2, b1 that is 3 divided by b2 is minus 2. It means that I will say both are not equal. It means that I will say both are not equal. Both are not equal. It 2 divided by 1, which is not equal to 2. 3 divided by minus 2. Both are not equal. It means that both lines are not parallel to each other. It means that in other words we can say that one line is yellow one and other is real 2. Both lines are intersecting at a certain point and its coordinate will be x comma y. So in this case I will say there is unique solution. There is an unique solution. There is an unique there is an unique solution. Here I will say there is an unique solution. Okay, student. So if pair of straight lines are given, so in this case I will take the conditional value, and with conditional value I will check if this condition is satisfying. So I will say both lines have different slope. It means that both lines will intersect at a certain point. So I will get the coordinate value x and y easily. Okay, student. So here I have got the value of a1, b1 and c1 from first line, and also a2, b2 and c2 from the second line. And then I have got its value. It is not equal to each other. It means that both lines are intersecting at a certain point, and we can get its value. There is a unique solution. There is a unique solution. Therefore, there are two methods to evaluate. One is the substitution method and other is the elimination method. Okay, student. So I am going to use here substitution method or elimination. Any one method I will use to find the value of x and y. After finding the value of x and y, I will put in the given equation y is equal to mx plus 3, and when I will put the value of x and y in this equation, in this expression, after simplifying I will get the value of x and y in value of m, which is the required answer of the given question. Okay, student. So further I am going to solve this. Okay, student. So this condition I am going to eliminate and by elimination method I will explain. Okay, student. So now these two equations have a unique solution. So in this case, in the case of elimination method, here we will equal the coefficient of equal the coefficient of x in both equations, are in the coefficient of y equal in the coefficient of y. Any one coefficient I will make equal. After making equal, and then we will subtract. If I will subtract, so sign will change. If it will have plus sign, so I will put there minus sign. If it will have minus sign, so I will put there plus sign. Okay, student. So this method I will use. So now in the case I am going to equate the value of x in first equation equal. So here coefficient of x is 2, but in this equation coefficient of x is 1. So in equation 2 I will multiply with the coefficient of x in first equation, that is 2. I will multiply 2 with each term in the left hand side and also in the right hand side. So after multiplying I will get this value. So here I will put multiplying in equation multiplying with 2 in equation second we get multiplying with 2 on both sides in equation 2. Here I can also enumerate multiplying with 2 on both sides in equation 2 we get. Okay, student. So this statement I will write and I will follow. So this is the equation number 2. I will multiply with 2 in left hand side and also in right hand side. After multiplying we will get the required information. So 2 into, in the bracket I will write x minus 2y plus 12, and on the right hand side 0 into 2 I will multiply. So 2 is multiplied with x and also minus 2x, y plus 12. So 2 into x, that will be 2x, minus 2y into 2, that will be 4y, 12 into 2, that is 24. If I will multiply any number with 0, that will become 0. Okay student, after multiplication I have got a equation whose name is, I will say whose name is 3, equation number 3. So I will solve equation number 3 and equation number 1. So again I am going to write information after erasing this one. I will say like this. From equations 1 and 3, we get, I will write simply we get. Okay student, so equation number 3 I am going to equation number 1 I am going to write here 2x plus 3y minus 17 which is equal to 0. I will say this is the equation number 1, and equation number 3 I will write here 2x minus 4y plus 24 which is equal to 0. I will say this is the equation number 1, that is equation number 3. Now here I will put like this, and I will say here unsubtracting so I will change sign. This 2x has sign plus, so I will put here minus. This 4y has sign minus, I will put here plus. So this 24 has sign plus, I will put here minus, and this plus has plus sign, so I will put minus. So this plus and minus will cancel out. So this 4 and this 3 both have plus, so I will write 4 plus 3 7y, and this will be minus 14, and this will be minus 17. I will add 7 plus 4 11 3 1 2 1 3 3 1 4. It is equal to 0. I can write. Okay student, so further I will say 7y which is equal to 41. After simplifying I will say 7y which is equal to 41, therefore y is equal to 41 divided by 7. Okay, so here I have got the value of y. Here I have got the value of y. Okay student, now I will put the value of y in equation first, and then we will get the value of y with corresponding the value of, we will get the value of x with this value of y. Okay student, now I am going to erase this one, and I will write one statement putting the value of y in equation first, and then we will get the value of x. So this information, this instruction I will write here properly, and then I will evaluate its value. Okay student, so now further I am going to erase this one. Here I will say putting the value of y in equation first we get. So here I will put, so here first I will write same 3y 2x plus 3y minus 17 which is equal to 0. Here I will put 2x plus 3 into, in the place of y, 41 divided by 7, 41 divided by 7 minus 17 which is equal to 0. Okay student, again I will simplify 2x, and I will multiply 41 into 3, that will become 3 1 3, 3 4 12 divided by 7 minus 70, which is equal to 0. Again I will simplify it. I will say 2x minus, I will write plus 123 divided by 7 minus 70 is equal to 0. I will put in right hand side. I will write here 2x, which is equal to 17 plus minus, it will be plus and it is minus 1 2 3 divided by 7. Again I will simplify with a fractional value. Rational number. Okay, student, after simplify I will get the value of x. So the value of y I am going to say here because it is important, because I will put it the given equation y is equal to mx plus 3. So I will put the value of x and y in this equation. After putting the value of x and y, I will get the value of m, that is the requirement of the given question. So the value of y, which is equal to 41 divided by 7. Okay, students. So I am going to erase this one and I will evaluate the value from that. So 2x, which is equal to 17 divided by 1 minus 1 2 3 divided by 7. So here I will take LCM. 1 into 7, so this 7 I will multiply with this term and this 1 is multiplied with this term, and then I will write here. So 7 into 17 into 7 minus 1 2 3 into 1. Here I will write 1. Okay, student, you are already understanding, so there is no space to write, so that only I will explain. 1 into 7, that will be 7, 7 into 17, I will multiply 7 into 17 into 7 minus 1 into 123. So I will simplify it, and here in the left hand side I will put 2x, which is equal to here I will put 7 7 49. So this will be 9 and 4 7 and 4 11. Here I will put minus 123, that will be 123 divided by 7. So I will subtract. So it will be minus 4. It will be minus 4 divided by 7. Minus 4 divided by 7. It will be minus 4 divided by 7. Okay, student. So here 2x is equal to minus 4 divided by 7. Now further I will also simplify it here. So in the next step I will write 2x, which is equal to minus 4 divided by 7. Therefore I will write 4 divided by 7 into, I will divide with 2. So this 2 on the 2 and 2 to the 4. So it will become minus 2 divided by 7. So the value of x is equal to minus 2 divided by 7. Okay, student. So I have got the value of x and y by elimination method. So the value of x is minus 2 divided by 7 and the value of y is equal to 41 divided by 7. So I will also set the value of x, which is equal to x is equal to, I will put here minus 2 divided by 7. Okay, student. Now in the question say solve these two equations. After solving, I have got the value of x, which is equal to minus 2 divided by 7, and also the value of y, which is equal to 41 divided by 7. Okay, student. Then find the value of m, where y is equal to mx plus 3. So we have to get the value of m from this equation. So it means that these two lines are intersecting at a point. It means that geometrically I am going to explain. Geometrically I am going to explain. One line is going like this. This is the line whose name is 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 17. And other line is also available. This line is, I will say, 2x minus 4y, which is equal to minus 24. Because this line and this line, both lines have different slope, it means that both lines will intersect at a point. I will say that is the point at the intersection, and its coordinate will be x comma y. Now I will say that the value of x is also, I have got that is minus 2 divided by 7, and the value of y I have also got here, that is 41 divided by 7 is available. Okay student, now one third line is also given, that is available, y is equal to mx plus 3. It means that a line which is passing through this point of intersection, so I will say the equation of this line is available like this: y is equal to mx plus 3. So I have got the value of x and y, and this line is also passing through this point. It means that the value of x and y will also satisfy this straight line. This is also a straight line, so this line will also satisfy this point. So in this point, it means that this is one point. So value of x and y I will substitute in this equation, and after simplifying I will get the value of m, and that will be the required answer of this question. Okay student, so now I am going to put the value of x and y in this equation, and after putting, and I will get the value of m and y. I will get the value of m, which is the required answer of this question. Okay student, so this is the geometrical meaning. This is the first line, this is second line. I have got point of intersection of these two lines by elimination method, and third line, which is also passing through this point of intersection, the coordinate of this point will satisfy this line. So after putting here, and I will simplify, and then I will get the value of m, and that is the required answer of this question. Okay student, so you concentrate on this solution. Now I am going to calculate the value of m by substituting the value of x and y also. Okay student, so I am going to erase here. Now other information which is given, y is equal to mx plus 3, and this line is also passing through a given point whose coordinate point is 2 divided by 7, and the value of y is 41 divided by 7 is also available. It means that this point of intersection will lie on this line. So I will put the value of x in the place of x and the value of y in the place of y, and after that we will simplify. So I am going to put, so here I am going to put the value of y, which is equal to y divided by 7. Now m in the place of x I will put minus 2 divided by 7 plus 3. Okay student, now again I am going to simplify. Here I will say 41 divided by 7, which is equal to minus 2m divided by 7 plus 3. Okay student, after simplifying we will get this value. Now further I am going to erase this one, but because I want to proceed my calculation. Okay student, therefore I am going to erase this one. So here I am going to, this term I am going to write in the left side. So 2m divided by 7 minus 2m plus 3, which is equal to 41 divided by 7. Means right hand side term I have written in left hand side, and left hand side term I have written in right hand side. There is no change in question. So now this term I am going to put there. So minus 2m divided by 7, which is equal to 41 divided by 7 minus 3, because it has plus sign and it will go out after the equal sign, so it will get this sign. Okay, student. So here I will also simplify. So here I will take LCM of 7 and 1, it will be 7. So I will multiply 1 with this one and 7 with this one. So 41 into 1, here minus sign will be available, I will put here minus. So 7 into 3, I will put here 7 into 3. And in the left hand side minus 2 m divided by 7 can be available. Okay, students, further I am going to also solve. So here I am putting minus 2m divided by 7, which is equal to 41 into 1, that is equal to 41. Okay, student, is 7 3 21. So here I will write 21. 21 divided by 7. I will put here 7. Okay, student. So I will subtract from 41 minus 21. That will be 0 to 20 divided by 7. I will write 7. Okay, student. In the left hand side, I will put 2m divided by 7. Okay, student. If you are understanding very well, so you like this channel and also you share this video with your colleagues, friends and students, and also you subscribe this educational channel with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also update and develop their knowledge on this topic. That is topic name is pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, student. So you have to also solve this question by substitution method also. Now I am going to simplify this one. So this is 7 and this is 7, it will cancel out. So I will put minus 2m, which is equal to 20. Okay, student. So m is equal to, I will put here minus 20 divided by minus 2. So I will simplify it. After simplifying, I will say m is equal to 20 divided by minus 2. So this is plus sign, this is minus sign. So minus sign will go up. So minus 20 divided by 2. 2 was a 2, 2 take the 20. So I will put minus 10. It means that I have got the value of m. That is minus 10. This is final answer of the given question. Okay, student. So properly here I will write I have got the value of m, which is equal to minus 10. This is the final answer of this question. Okay, student. So I have got. So all concept of the pair of linear equation in two variables I have already explained. That is already I have described. There are three conditions. All these three conditions I have explained, and I have also solved one numerical value, and that numerical value is also following one condition. That condition is like this: a1 divided by a2, which is not equal to b1 divided by b2. It means that both lines are not parallel to each other. It means that both lines will intersect at a certain point, and I have to get the coordinate of that point. So there are two methods to evaluate. One is the elimination and other is the substitution. By the elimination method, I have got the value of x and y, and after that I have put the value of x and y in the given equation. After simplifying, I have got the value of m, and this is the requirement of this question, and I have completed. So according to this way, solution of this question already I have been done. So further I will also solve some numerical which are related to pair of linear equation in two variables. Now if you have any doubt, so you will comment, and I will look your comment. I will see your comment positively. I will reply the answer of your comment. Okay, student. So each and every day on the same time, that is 10 past to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I will be online, and this is free online coaching classes, and you attend. And this is the math subject, class 10 mathematics, which is English medium, and it is also based on NCERT pattern, that is CBSE board. Okay, student, UP board student can also be solved because concepts are same. Okay, student. So only numericals value will change, but if you will know concept, so any question you can easily solve. Okay, student. There are certain procedure you have to follow. Those procedures means set of rules. That is protocol. You have to follow that protocol, and after using that all concept, so you will find the destination value. Here destination value is m, and I have already got its value -10. Okay, student. So thank you for watching, listening, and also writing all data which are under which are understood by you by speaking or written data on the blackboard. Okay, student. If you have any doubt, so you ask with comment, and I will reply the answer of your question properly. Yeah, any issue. Okay, student, related to a pair of linear equation in two values. Okay, student. By audience, by students, I will meet you on the same time. Okay, student.